So I'm just starting a mock-up on the E30 M3 replica. Because this is a fiberglass back end and most of the panels will be fiberglass, we decided to give it a bit more structure and strength. So I've mocked up the front loop there with mild steel. Now this isn't going to stay there, obviously. We've got cold drawn steel, the same thickness. As you can see, I've welded the back braces on. This is actually cold drawn steel because we didn't have any of the mild steel to do a template, so it had to be perfect. The bend had to be perfect the first time. As you can see there, we've notched the angles. So I fabricated this plate. It's not finished yet, obviously, it's not welded. So I fabricated this plate and we've got the angles right. So I'm going to TIG weld all the way around there. And by here you can see the attachments. These are bought from a roll cage manufacturer, so these will all be up to spec. Yeah, so like I say, this tube is going to be cold drawn steel, same as this. It's a lot of working out, but it's going to be worth it. The customer didn't want a roll cage where it came down and went straight down across the window. He wanted the windows, as you can see, like clear. I've tried to keep this as level as possible. It's about a 2mm difference there, but I've only tacked this on anyway this is just to get measurements for the final roll cage. So that's just tacked on. There's a tack there, so this will all be TIG welded all around on the final frame. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but like it'll be a lot of strength in it. As you can see down the bottom there, I fabricated the plates for the base, and these go underneath and bolted with 10mm bolts. So that'll give a nice strength. Yeah, I've tried to miss everything. As you can see, no, you can't see. Ah, for fuck's sake. Got it. I needed to miss the roll cage with the safety belt, so I didn't want it binding just because it doesn't work as efficient if it's touching, so the whole thing's going to miss and come across the front seats. So yeah, it's getting there. Another thing I'm going to do, once I've fabricated the other side and got everything together, I'm going to do a cross brace straight across from both sides to give this more strength in the back if it does ever roll over. There's no front cage, it's just a rear cage, so yeah, that's it. These angles were a bit awkward, but I've managed to get them all right. There's a bit of a gap there, but I just need to level this off. I'm going to have TIG weld around it. Yeah, so I just have to replicate this side now, and everything's all lined up. We needed to do a template just because the cold drawn steel is so expensive, and if I did make any mistakes, which I didn't with the mock-up one, it would have been an expensive mistake. So yeah, that's about it. I still need to do a bit of welding on the back and strengthen the back onto the wheel arch on the back there, on the inside. That's just if it does, just for crush, that's all. So if anything does impact this, it'll have more impact on the wheel arch there. So it'll be a bar coming straight down and coming off there, and a plate welded onto the wheel arches on the rear. Yeah, that's about it. So she's getting there. It's a nice little project, something different. Yeah, it's not welded, well, it's not patching plates and stuff, so yeah, it's nice to do a bit of fabrication for a change. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, that's it. Cheers.